Yes, sir.
Good morning to all. Good morning to all Goa citizens. I am Rahul Gupta, SP Traffic. This media briefing has been called regarding one regulation that we are going to impose. Goa Police is going to impose on rent-a-bike and rent-a-cab services. As we all know that the rent-a-bike and rent-a-cab vehicle are more likely to meet an accident, and the data we have studied the data, and it has come out that they are twice as likely as compared to normal vehicles to meet an accident. So this is a very worrisome trend that has been observed, and the reason is that the reason we can attribute is because the users which are using these vehicles, they are in it is one of the reason is that they are negligent about the traffic rules, because they mostly come on holidays and vacations. And the second is that they are not aware about the topography of Goa. There is very peculiarity about the roads, and a lot of diversions are there. Roads are very narrow in a lot of stretches, and there is a lot of vehicular movement in these stretches. So this makes the job of any user very difficult, and particularly if a tourist comes from outside, he is not aware about these conditions, so he or she is more likely to meet an accident. So for this purpose, to instill a greater sense of awareness that what challenge will lie ahead of a user when the user rented vehicle, we are going to make them sign an undertaking at the moment they are getting the rented vehicle from the agency. So we have designed two undertakings, one for rented bike and one for rented cabs, and these undertakings contain 10 points, 10 road safety regulations that the user will read and user will fill his personal details on this undertaking and then sign it. So this is the undertaking for rented car, and this is the undertaking for rented bike. So based on the specific issues of bike and cab, this undertaking has been drafted. For example, a bike undertaking contains regulations like that I will not ride the bike without wearing the helmet. I will not ride the bike triple seated. I will not use the mobile phone while riding the bike. I will not ride the bike under the influence of alcohol. All these 10 points have written mention. We have mentioned all the legal sections pertaining to each of the issue, so that they are aware that how much penalty is there. So, and they will also enter their personal detail and they will sign it. They will sign it at the bottom. So this undertaking, there will be two copies of undertaking that the user will have to sign. One will be kept by the user himself throughout his stay in Goa, and other will be submitted to the rented agency. The purpose of this measure is to have a psychological impact on the user, because the moment he is taking the bike, he is also signing the undertaking, and he becomes aware that there is some severe problem in Goa. That's why this undertaking is being signed by me. And I've also read, he or she will also read these regulations, so they'll be aware that there is a traffic law that exists, and they'll have to follow it, otherwise they'll face penalties. So this paper will remain in their vehicle, so that there will be a psychological impact that yes, I have signed this undertaking, and this paper exists inside my vehicle, so I have to follow it. And then he or she will see the presence of Goa Police also on the road, so it will also remind him or her that this is something very serious. So I'm sure it will have some impact on the users, that they'll be more aware about the traffic rules since they have signed it, they have read it. So I'm sure that it will have some impact on the accidents that rented vehicle and rented cabs undergo. We have assigned the responsibilities of our PIs. We have just conducted the meeting of all the PIs, and we have briefed them that how to go about it. They will circulate this undertaking to all the agencies, and they will also ensure that this is being complied. They will do random inspections. They will ask for weekly reports, and they will also do some they will also conduct meeting at their circle level in all the traffic circles with all the rented bike cab agencies, and they will brief accordingly, and they will also ensure that it is properly implemented. I will appeal to all the incoming tourists or the public or rental agencies, that they also scrupulously follow this this regulation that we are going to impose, and they also cooperate with Goa police, because we are trying to this measure has been taken for the safety of all and to promote Goa tourism in a much bigger way, because if the traffic accidents go down, particularly for the particularly for the tourists, then it will there will be significant boost to the tourism in long term. Thank you.
So this undertaking, this process will be linked with transport department also, because if that particular guy who gives rent a bike or rent a car is not following this thing, so what action will be taken against him?
So
the transport department will also have to
so
be
the action will be like the normal the whatever MV Act challan we do, that we'll keep doing. It is just for as a psychological measure that he or she will have greater awareness after signing this undertaking.
And we will use this document as an evidence for cancellation of license. Then we said this will be used as an evidence to enhance the cancellation.
And what private vehicle also is giving
some people, they give private vehicles also as a rent a cab.
So if we catch them, now we'll have this undertaking also. If the user does not carry this undertaking, then that means that he or she is taking private vehicle, then we can impose a greater penalty accordingly. So it will also help in that also.
So how this awareness will be done amongst tourists?
Tourist, it is a responsibility of rental bike agency.
So you mentioned fine and all in that.
Yeah, all the fines are mentioned. I'll give you the copy. All the fines are mentioned.
So this paper, they are supposed to be kept in the vehicle.
Yeah.
So if they are not in the vehicle, then they will be fined or something.
Although there is no legal provision of if they don't carry the vehicle, if they don't carry this paper, then we can fine. But still, it will serve as a reminder to us that he or she has careless attitude, and we'll see it accordingly.
So along with fine amount, there is any like punishments for road accident?
You can read it. Yeah, it is mentioned that I'll not perform stunts with the bike, punishable under section 184 MV Act with a fine of minimum rupees 1,000, which may extend to 5,000, or with imprisonment up to 1 year, or with both to be decided by court.
So this rule already exists in Motor Vehicle Act.
Yes.
But any of your traffic is having any this thing checking the alcoholic randomly on the road or something?
Yeah, they do it. But the user will be aware after this. That is the purpose.
90% accidents are in night time.
Yeah.
Because of their alcohol. Any checking?
Yeah, we'll do that. We are studying the accident pattern and the time. Already it has been done, obviously. My predecessors must have done that. So we are also going to continue. We'll conduct special drive based on the timing of the accident and based on the frequency of the accident, and we'll see some impact. Let's see.
So you mentioned due to rent a car and rent a bike, units are getting more. What is the figure?
You'll have to ask from the office. I'll give you if you want. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.